Success is not just about dreaming big and talking about your ambitions. It's about the consistent hard work, sweat, and grin that you put in and day out. You have to be willing to do the things that you hate to do to get to where you want to be. It's about showing up every single day and giving it your all, no matter what life throws at you. The reality is that those who win big, who have the Ferraris, the big houses, and the swimming pools, do four things right. They sleep, sweat, grind, and repeat. They don't give up. They don't quit. They hunt. They are willing to work in places that people don't see, to go through the mud of life to get to the higher ground. To be a champion, you need to be process-driven, not feelings-driven. You have to be willing to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning, whether you feel like it or not, and murder every opportunity that comes your way. You have to be willing to climb that doggone mountain, enjoy the grind, and stop only when you're done, not when you're tired. Remember, there is always someone out there who wants what you have, who wants the job, the position, or the spouse that you have. Use that as motivation to keep grinding, to keep pushing yourself to be better every single day. It's your responsibility to show up to the Coliseum of life and prepare for battle. So, when you wake up every morning, you have two options. You can hit the snooze button and go back to bed, or you can kick that clock and go pursue your dreams. Don't act like you're going to live forever, because we're all going to die. Take advantage of every opportunity and don't let anything else distract you from your goal. In the end, it's about leaving a legacy that you can be proud of, a legacy that means something, backed up with action. That's what champions do. They back up their words with action. So, keep grinding, keep pushing yourself, and never give up. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without